Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. It's been wonderful reading little by little in the Monday book reading series. And every Monday, we are taking up some book of mine, and I'm reading to you from that book to bring back and review the culture of learning from books rather than just scrolling on social media. So, books have always been human beings' very amazing companions and also very wise teachers. So, in the world of today, we've drifted away from the hard work and labor of reading a book. So that's why I've started this initiative where I read on your behalf and you can take the opportunity to just hear it out. So, in today's book reading, we are going to be talking about a book of mine, which is on the subject of self care, which is rather a very important subject that I love to talk about as in the growing needs and demands of our life. It's quite imminent that we have forgotten to value, love, and respect our own selves. And we are just unable to live mindfully and attend to the important issues that are a part of very important part of how we sail through in life. So self-care is really an important and a very, very prominent role it plays in every individual who actually wants to go a long way in making a mark in the world. Because if you're not really pausing to stop and caring for yourself, then you will have a burnout very soon. So, in my own journey, I have been investing a lot of time and energy in trying to take care of myself at many levels, trying to watch my emotions, how I feel, what I eat. And this is the inspiration for writing a book on self care, from which I have been reading to you. So, today in this book reading, we've come to segregating self care into various levels. So, in today's reading, we will be speaking about the physical self care headers, in which we will mainly speak about nutrition. So, I'm starting the reading. Understanding self care. Self care is a holistic approach to maintaining and enhancing one's health, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional well being. It involves conscious actions and decisions aimed at promoting a balanced and fulfilling life. While the concept is simple, its implementation requires commitment and mindfulness. So, physical self care. In physical self care, we are going to speak about nutrition. A well balanced diet is the cornerstone of physical self care. Consuming a variety of nutrient rich foods provides the body with the energy and resources it needs to function optimally. Adequate hydration is also crucial for overall health. Healthy nutrition is a cornerstone of overall well being, providing the body with essential nutrients needed for proper function and maintenance. Here are some basics of healthy nutrition: a balanced diet, where we have macronutrients, which include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your diet. These macronutrients provide energy and support various bodily functions. And micronutrients, which ensure an adequate intake of vitamins and minerals, which play a crucial role in maintaining health and preventing deficiencies. Then we have whole foods, which are focus on consuming whole, minimally processed foods. These include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Minimize the intake of processed foods, which often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Then, portion control. Be mindful of the portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and avoid eating large portions late at night. And then, an important part about the hydration or the drinking of water. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Water is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular function. Limit the intake of sugary beverages and excessive caffeine. Colorful plate. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Different colors often indicate different nutrients, so a diverse range supports overall health. Include a mix of vegetables such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and brightly colored options. Lean proteins. Choose lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, legumes, tofu, and low fat dairy products. Vary protein sources to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried foods, processed snack, and certain animal products. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporate fiber-rich foods, including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight and support heart health. Limit added sugars and salt. Reduce the intake of foods and beverages high in added sugars. Check labels for hidden sugars in processed foods. Moderate salt intake to support heart health. Choose fresh foods and use herbs and spices for flavoring instead of excessive salt. Meal planning. Plan the meals to ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Include a mix of food groups in each meal to provide a range of nutrients. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions such as screens while eating to focus on the sensory experience of your meals. Individualized nutrition. Consider individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and any specific health conditions when determining nutritional needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Adopting these healthy nutrition basics can contribute to improved energy levels, better overall health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Remember that small sustainable changes over time often lead to more lasting benefits. So that was about our reading of today, where we understood the various factors in our nutritional health that need to be attended to. So, being a medical doctor for over 3 decades now, I have witnessed myself firsthand that how preventive action can save us from so much suffering. When I see patients on ventilators in the ICU and I go back to take their histories, then there are definite markers that can be found in their lifestyle that may have contributed to the suffering that they're undergoing at that point of time, which was very much preventable just with very small efforts towards changing their lifestyle towards more healthy options. So that's the importance of education and application of that education. Thank you so much. Sri Matre Namah.